Welcome to my channel. Nagzira. Episode number 12. Asian Green Bee-Eater.
The Asian green bee-eater, also known as little green bee-eater. Like other bee-eaters, this species is a richly colored, slender bird. It is about 9 inches, 16 to 18 centimeters, long with about 2 inches made up by the elongated central tail feathers. The sexes are not visually distinguishable. The entire plumage is bright green and tinged with blue, especially on the chin and throat. The crown and upper back are tinged with golden rufous. The flight feathers are rufous washed with green and tipped with blackish. A fine black line runs in front of and behind the eye. The iris is crimson and the bill is black while the legs are dark gray. The feet are weak with the 3 toes joined at the base. Southeast Asian birds have rufous crown and face, and green underparts, whereas Arabian Biloxicus has a green crown, blue face and bluish underparts. The wings are green and the beak is black. The elongated tail feathers are absent in juveniles. Sexes are alike. Distribution and habitat. This is an abundant and fairly tame bird, familiar throughout its range. It is a bird which breeds in open country with bushes. In Africa and Arabia it is found in arid areas, but is more diverse in its habitats further east. This species often hunts from low perches, maybe only a meter or less high. It readily makes use of fence wires and electric wires. Unlike some other bee-eaters, they can be found well away from water. They are mostly seen in the plains but can sometimes be found up to 5,000 or 6,000 feet in the Himalayas. They are resident in the lowlands of South Asia, but some populations move seasonally, but the patterns are not clear, moving away to drier regions in the rainy season and to warmer regions in winter. In parts of Pakistan, they are summer visitors. Behavior and ecology. Like other species in the genus, bee-eaters predominantly eat insects, especially bees, wasps and ants, which are caught in the air by sorties from an open perch. Before swallowing prey, a bee-eater removes stings and breaks the exoskeleton of the prey by repeatedly thrashing it on the perch. Migration is not known, but they make seasonal movements in response to rainfall. These birds are somewhat sluggish in the mornings and may be found huddled next to each other on wires, sometimes with their bills tucked in their backs well after some recess. They sunbathe more frequently than other bee-eater species and will sometimes bathe in water by dipping into water in flight. They are usually seen in small groups and often roost communally in large numbers, 200 to 300. The birds move excitedly at the roost site and call loudly, often explosively dispersing before settling back to the roost tree. The little green bee-eater is also becoming common in urban and suburban neighborhoods and has been observed perching on television antennae, only to launch into a brief, zigzag flight formation to catch an insect, then return to the same perch and consume the meal. This behavior is generally observed between the hours of 7 o'clock and 8 a.m. and after 4 p.m.
Please do like, comment, share, subscribe and motivate.